Really? You eat them faster than I can.
Oh, I got it on camera too. I got that lightning bolt that just came. Ma, you're in my camera view. Taking up all my camera.
Remember that storm we had at Aunt Judy's? They had like a shelf coming in. You should have seen that. You were there. I seen it and I didn't know what it was. And then all of a sudden I just told Roger. He said, holy shit. He said, go in and tell Mom and Aunt Judy to come out here. He said, it was bad. That's when we got them high winds at the pool. When all the fence come down and the pool came across the yard. Jeez. Now the wind will pick up. I said, the wind's got to pick up.
I'm looking at these clouds. They're getting sucked up. See them?
You can't handle more. That's enough cookies. You'll be sick. Give me my cereal.
Is that siren going over there?
No, they don't have one.
There's a siren around here somewhere.
It's at the police station.
Yeah.
Sit down here.
Yes, calm before the storm.
Sit. Sit. Put your back down. Good boy. Good boy.
Ooh. Missed.
I got it.
Here, one drink.
I got that one. That was right here.
Here. Go.
Love video cameras.
Move, Bugaloo. I'll give you some more.
See, it's just passing over us.
Joe, it's the edge of it. It's the beginning of it.
Yeah, we gotta have the gust of wind to come up.
You gotta have it. You gotta wait for it to come over us.
They'll probably blow us in the house.
This cloud looks like Michigan. Grandma, look at it. There's the tip of up the UP. Look at this cloud right here in front of us. It looks like Michigan.
Some
There's
more.
the tip, the other one, and then the back end of
Look out. Move back.
the UP. That's badass.
You don't have to drink it out of my cup.
That's gone now. Nope, I still see it, just barely.
Seems like evening. Hang on it.
I think it's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Well, this ain't dark compared to what it was that day. We lost power and everything that day.
Look at how thick that is.
Yeah. It's all buttoned together.
Look at your little lights over there. They don't know whether to light or not. Says, where's the sun? Should I come out or shouldn't I?
We need to sit outside this garage door. It's cooler out there. Stupid ass. That guy took a left-hand turn in front of that car making a right. Didn't hear him lay on his front.
And Connie, that's the most dangerous 4-way there is around here. I've seen a guy, I've seen
Only
somebody.
one around here.
Yeah.
It's the only one around here.
Well, somebody's been in the ditch with their car like crumpled.
Now here comes a good wind. I hope it blows right in the garage.
Oh, it will.
Just the cool air. Whoa. We're all gonna break our necks trying to get out of these chairs to get to the base.
We'll all run into each other.
Take your chair with you.
We need to back up. Here it comes. Get back.
Yeah.
You can see the rain coming right now.
Oh,